In this video, I'll be going over how much I made in 1 month on the TikTok Creativity Program Beta. If you didn't know, the TikTok Creativity Program Beta is a program where TikTok will pay you to make longer form content at least 1 minute long. I have been consistently posting on TikTok for the past 4 months, and I recently joined the program around 1 month ago. I'm all about financial transparency, so I wanted to share with you guys how much I've made so far. In this video, we'll go over the requirements to join the Creativity Program, how to join, and how much I personally made so far. Let's dive right in. So looking at the TikTok website here, you must meet the following criteria to join and collect rewards. You have to be based in one of the countries where the program is available, have a TikTok account in good standing, have a personal account, be at least 18 years old, have at least 10,000 followers, have at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. You must post original content and post videos that are at least 1 minute long. You must not tamper with the program, must not make false statements. An account in good standing is also defined by no history of violating the community guidelines or terms of service, no engagement in fraudulent activities, and post original and authentic content that speaks to our mission of inspiring joy and creativity. If you meet all of these requirements, here's how to join. If you're a creator over the age of 18 with an account registered in the eligible region, tap Profile at the bottom of the screen, tap the menu button at the top, tap Creator Tools, and tap Creativity Program Beta. And once you submit your application, you'll receive a reply in around 7 days. If you're someone who's already enrolled in the previous version, which is the TikTok Creator Fund, and you want to switch over, here's how. In the TikTok app, tap Profile at the bottom, tap the menu button at the top, tap Creator Tools, and then tap Creator Fund, and tap Switch. Now, one thing to note is that once you join the Creativity Program Beta, you cannot switch back to the TikTok Creator Fund. Now you're probably wondering, Paul, how much have you made in the first month of being in the program? Let's check it out. So here's my personal account that I've worked on for around 4 to 5 months. I have around 20.8K followers. And I've worked really hard for this account, and I joined the TikTok Creativity Program Beta around a month ago. So to see how much you've earned, click on the sidebar here, click on Creator Tools, scroll down to TikTok Creativity Program Beta, click on it. And once you click on it, you'll be able to see how much you've made so far. So for me personally, in the past 30 days, I've made $78.82. Now, if you look at the graph here, you can see that it fluctuates day by day. So I started around August 9th. So on August 11th was one of my peaks, and I received $12.09, and it went back down to $2.35. On 8/17, I earned 87 cents that day, and it shot back up to $12 and on 8/21, and then it came back down to 2.54, 2.11, 91 cents, $3.15, and $3. Now, if you scroll down more, you can see my performance in the last 30 days. My estimated reward sits at $78. My qualified views sits at 65K. My RPM is $1.21. Now, let's look at what all of these things mean. So if you look here, you can see that estimated rewards is the total number of eligible video rewards within the selected date. Now, what is a qualified view? Rewards are available to videos with at least 10,000 unique views, and how these views are calculated is watch time is at least 5 seconds. Views with dislikes are not considered. Multiple views from the same account are only counted once. And ads, paid promotions, and sponsored content do not qualify for rewards. And only views from the For You feed are considered. Now, what is RPM? RPM stands for revenue per milli, which is pretty much the amount that you get paid per 1,000 views. So the amount of rewards creators can receive for every 1,000 views, and it may vary based on several factors such as region. Now, looking at the videos that qualified, you can see that my first video here is a video talking about Capital One checking account that will pay $350 just for opening. And this is the video that actually got the most amount of views. So let's click on 30 days. And I made $74 from this video with 61.5K qualified views. And the RPM sits at $1.21. And you can see that all the fluctuations throughout the past 30 days. And yeah, looking at the next video, we can see that it's the 6 best high yield savings accounts that I posted on 8/17. And this video made me $4.29. So looking at the 30-day trend, you can see that it peaked $1.47 on 8/21, and then it gradually came down. So I made $4.29 from this video with 3.5K qualified views and a $1.21 RPM. Now, to be very honest with you, I haven't made too much money in this program, but it really does depend on how much you post and if your videos are at least 1 minute long. I plan to post a lot more content that's over a minute to help me monetize this account a lot further, so stay tuned. Now, obviously, I didn't make a huge amount my first month in the program, but I really wanted to be financially transparent with you guys because different people make different amounts of money. If you post more longer form content that qualifies, the more money you make. It's as simple as that. That is it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, my name is Paul and I talk all things money, finance, and investing. So if you like this type of content, please smash that like button and subscribe for more videos just like this. I have so much great content planned for you guys, so please stay tuned. Your life is a masterpiece, so let's unlock your full financial potential together. And with that, I will catch you in the next video. Take care.